Multiple option Super Term Most 18. Murang term life insurance for 1 million term life coverage, 1 million accidental death and disability, 500,000 terminal illness, and 300,000 critical illness. Plus, meron itong PDF or Premium Deposit Fund or Savings Fund mo. Depende kung magkano ang budget mo or goal mo na isave, withdrawable without charges, at hindi nababawasan ang insurance coverage part. It's multiple option, depende sa purpose ng savings fund mo. Pwedeng savings na budget-based, savings na may target amount ka you want to achieve, or para sa college fund ng ating anak, or graduation gift as a reward. And pwede rin kung gusto natin nang magkaroon ng pension, and syempre for our retirement fund purposes. For example, ikaw ay 30 years old ngayon. Alam mo ba na ang iyong annual premium ay 7,188 pesos lamang? Take note, annual premium na po yan. Ang term life insurance ang pinakamura at practical na solusyon to have protections habang wala pang sapat na ipon. Now you know, hindi dapat mahal ang life insurance.